You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. Quite confusing. The spelling makes it confusing, but it's easy once you know it means hot. Super hot in all meanings of the word. Hot in temperature and could mean a bit sexy as well. Hot. Caliente. That's your Spanish pronunciation here. Caliente. In English, you can simply say it similarly as caliente. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.